This is the assembly video for the Hewitt Ultra Dock ladder being installed on the Hewitt Classic dock. Lay out and inventory all of the parts and pieces. Start by threading the set screw into the ladder bracket. Repeat this process with the other ladder bracket. Loosely attach the ladder brackets to the Classic dock. Place the ladder against the dock and adjust the brackets accordingly. Using the supplied carriage bolts, attach the ladder to the brackets. The head of the carriage bolt goes to the inside of the ladder. Secure the carriage bolt with a nut, countersinking the head of the carriage bolt into the ladder. After doing the final positioning of the ladder, tighten down the set screw to secure the ladder to the dock. You're now ready to install the two end caps. This completes the UltraDock ladder assembly video.